If you're planning to start your online business in 2020, what are the most profitable businesses in 2020? I'll show you in this video. Stay tuned. Hi, this is Satish here. In this video, we are going to talk about the most profitable businesses in 2020 that you can start online. So before we go any forward, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates of the future videos. So let's get started. There are three main ways that you can make money online. The first one is through sharing knowledge. The knowledge industry is growing tens and tens of times every year. And if you're part of this, you can make a huge income for yourself. So let us see what you can do in this knowledge domain. The knowledge industry is one of the biggest industries of the world. It is growing every year tenfolds. And if you're part of this industry, sure shot, you'll be a millionaire in the coming days. So the knowledge industry has got two subdivisions in it. One social media, another one info products. Today social media plays an important role how we learn things. Like if you want to learn something, you just go to YouTube, you just type how to do this, how to get a certain kind of results, and you get hell a lot of videos where you can learn a lot of stuff at a minimum amount of time and without even spending a single dime. Now under social media, you have several categories where you can set up your presence and you can start your businesses. For example, the first one is YouTube. YouTube being a very, very popular medium, you can just start your YouTube channel and start sharing the knowledge that you have. And people who want that kind of knowledge, your expertise, they'll come to your channel, watch some of your videos, and in turn, you can make money by using AdSense on your videos, or you can promote products or services that you can offer. The second category is Facebook groups. We all use Facebook. Like we spend countless hours just scrolling through content. And have you ever noticed that we can make a lot of money with the endless obsession of just scrolling and wasting time? You can actually use this, you can actually use the Facebook as a very powerful medium to make money online. Now it is very simple. It's like Facebook has one feature which is called Facebook groups, and Facebook is very aggressive in promoting these groups. You can create your own group, attract a lot of audience, teach people what you already know, what you are expert in, what you're comfortable in teaching. See, you don't need to be an expert to actually teach something. You can, if you're just one step ahead, and there are people who wanted to learn how you reach that step. You don't need to be expert. You don't need to know everything from A to Z. Say for example, you have A, B, C. You are at a C level. You can teach A and B to somebody who wanted to go to the level of C. So it's that simple. So just don't get stuck that you'll have to have a tremendous amount of knowledge, or you will have to be an expert in some kind of subject. You don't need to. So you can just focus on whatever you know, and you can start your business around that. So the third important thing is Instagram. Instagram is just like Facebook. We use Instagram to just get entertained and share a lot of pictures. And you can use Instagram similarly just like Facebook to attract a lot of audience, build your influence around, start building your community, add value to your community, and you can offer your products and services to your audience. Similarly, LinkedIn is also one of the social media platforms where you can use it a similar way as the other social media platforms I just spoke about. And the next important category is info products. Under info products, you can create online courses. Online courses can be anything. It can be your life experience. It can be your expertise. You're good at something, you know something. There are a lot of people wanted to learn that kind of skills, that kind of technologies, or anything for that matter. So you can create online courses and monetize them. You can actually sell them for some cost, or you can give it out for free and you can monetize it the other ways also. So online courses is one of the very attractive business these days. People around the world are minting money creating online courses. So in the coming videos, I'm going to show you a lot of stuff, how you can establish all these businesses. I'm going to create a complete series of videos where I'm going to teach you most of the stuff that I'm covering here. So the next important thing is ebooks. You can actually write your stuff. It need not be 300, 500, 1000, 2000 pages book. It can be a smaller size ebooks like 20, 30, 50 pages, and you can like sell it for 10 rupees, or say for example, if you're selling internationally, you can sell it for $1, $3, $5, even $10. So in that case, it's like there are so many platforms which you can sell ebooks on. Like one of the marketplaces is Amazon. You can sell your ebooks on Amazon. It'll become a passive income source for you. The next important element is podcast. With podcast, you can attract a lot of people, build your audience, build your tribe around your podcast, recommend products and services to your customers, your audience, and you can make a lot of money. The fourth category is blogs. People say blogs are dead in 2020. They are bullshitting around. Blogs exist today, and blogs are making hell a lot of money than you can imagine. Right today, if you say, Satish, there are a lot of blogs, there's a lot of competition, and you'll have to struggle a lot. Well, nothing comes easy in life. Setting up and becoming success in blogging is not that difficult. Well, I'm not saying it is easy, but it is simple. If you know the right tools and you know the right strategies, how to go ahead and set up your blogs, you can make a beautiful living with blogs. Not living, you can make excessive amounts of money with blogging. I have friends who make 6 figures and even 7 figures per month with just blogging. And you can imagine what kind of returns blogging can give you. Only thing, you'll have to know the right strategies and the right tools and right way of communicating your thought, and you'll be successful at blogging. So the next segment in the online business, the important category is physical products. So physical products, you can have your own e-commerce store where you can sell physical products or digital products of your own that you have created, or you can do affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is, say you have a product producer and you have a customer. So you play the middleman where you refer the customer to the product seller, and the product seller will give you a certain percentage of the profit as the affiliate commission. And with affiliate marketing, you can promote several products, hundreds, thousands of products simultaneously to your audience, to your customers, and you can make a lot of money as affiliate commissions. There's so many kind of products, digital, physical, software products. You have a hell of a lot of things. There's so many companies out there which actually have affiliate programs, and you can sign up many of the affiliate programs and start promoting their products. So the next segment is services. So there are 3 kind of services that you can offer. The first one is do it yourself. And since you give away all the tools and technologies that somebody want to get something done, and people can buy this stuff and they get the job done themselves. That means they'll have to do it themselves. So that is called the do it yourself kind of services, where you sell the bulk of all the tools, technologies, all the manuals. So people will go through the manuals and build their own stuff using the technology and or the products that you have provided. So the next one is done with you. In the sense, you provide the training to somebody and they will do the stuff. You will support them. You'll be with them, with your client. You'll be working together so that they get the results. The third kind of category is done for you. Done for you, these services can be like graphic design, video editing, video production, website design, funnel designs, copywriting. It can be anything where you do the most of the work for your client in exchange of their money. So these are the 3 important categories knowledge, physical products and services. In the coming videos, I'm going to dive deep into the subcategories of each one. And if you want to set up some kind of business which is among this list, and so I'll be creating a lot of videos which will teach you how to set up a business in all of these categories. Well, my approach of the online business is a mixture of all of these things together. I create an ecosystem which comprises of several things. It's like I have social media presence, I have online courses, I have blogs. So I like combine all of them and create a wonderful ecosystem, and I nurture my tribe in it. So if you want to learn all this, I'm going to teach all of these things in my coming videos. So stay tuned, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the coming videos.